this is the power wire from the battery. It's the constant hot. It's the wire that's going to have power all the time unless the building loses power. So you're going to want to connect that one to a constant hot. Next, you're going to want to take the neutral wire from the battery and connect it to, well, I like to twist these. I don't like these, so I twist them off. And take the neutral. Connect that. Connect that. And connect it to a neutral coming in. This one's going to get capped off. And the ground is going to be connected. So I'm saving the load for this one. This is the wall switch wire. So you have your wall switch, you have your load. This is load coming out. And it's feeding the driver. So the light switch would turn off the driver, but not turn off the battery. It wouldn't turn off power to the battery. So, and that's about it. So